So in reference to my first video about Dr. James Ross's Anatomy and Physiology Review course, I just want to let you guys know this is seriously the greatest course. It's a great review. It goes over every single system, head to toe, in the human body. It also goes over, everything from the cellular level, that every component of a cell to the pathophysiology. It's just a great program. Now, I will tell you though, just reviewing the program, especially when it comes to cardiopulmonary resuscitation, as we all know, every couple of years, the American Heart Association does update, they do studies, a whole group does studies on what works effectively for patients as far as, resuscitation and bringing back spontaneous circulation, things like that. It goes over that as well, but a little bit of it is kind of outdated. I know that now, having just taken advanced cardiac life support class, the new 2016 guidelines are, they're really emphasizing compressions, because that's really what, the compressions really get the blood flow going to the rest of the body, to the, heart and lungs. So that's really, it doesn't really emphasize that so much here. It does really emphasize rescue breathing. And so that right there, I'd say, is maybe just a little bit outdated. Also too, it does go over practical nursing as well. It talks about, when I read it, when I reviewed it, it does talk about the role of the nurse. I think it is more geared towards like military nursing, which I never did. So, but just from the jargon and things like that, it does, I think, more geared to military nursing. But other than that, it's a great course. Like I said, it goes over every single system. It also does go over medical terminology, and if you're a med student in any aspect, I'm talking paramedic nursing, just like I talked about in my last video, pre-med, med student, a respiratory therapist. It also goes over the terminology and things like that. So that really, you kind of have to have that first before you can really learn about, pathophysiology, anatomy, all of that stuff. So it really does cover everything across the spectrum. So again, I'm really excited that this is available to people, and I really suggest that you go out there and spend $37. It's worth every single penny. All right, so check it out.